Guys, so this is the first outfit, dinner outfit for this week here in Turkey. Wearing this all white outfit. The top is from Zara. I love the neckline of this top. It has like a square neckline, but then it kind of angles like a triangle. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a plain vest top, and then I've paired it with this satin skirt, midi length skirt, which has like these ridges. So nice. I think this is so chic. And then I've also paired it with these flower earrings. These ones are from Zara, so it's like the entire fit, almost the entire fit is from Zara. And then for jewelry, I'm wearing a selection of gold bangles, which just looks like that. And then of course the hotel band. I'm definitely going to clip that off soon because it is not the vibe. And then for bag, I'm just wearing this white not detailed bag. This one is from Ego, and I've opted for like these super simple sandals because there are so many heels here, and heels, it's not it. It is not it. So this is the first outfit for this week. Super chic. I love an all white moment, so clean, so crisp, and then the pop of color. And I've also opted to wear my hair down. I'm in love with my braids. This outfit I wore to explore around the Bodrum city area, specifically the marina around the evening hours. So I wore this light beige linen blend top from H&M, so gorgeous, lightweight, and I wore my white Bermuda shorts with mixed colored accessories, so my tan belt, my chocolate brown bag, and my Steve Madden sandals, and accessorized it to jazz it up a bit, and it was so gorgeous. I loved this outfit. So this is the outfit that I'll be wearing tonight. This gorgeous dress. You guys would have already seen this dress in my previous Zara summer haul. And it's this yellow drop waist midi dress. I have absolutely been loving the drop waist style lately, and this is absolutely gorgeous. The perfect dinner outfit, and I've paired it with these gold sandals, also from Zara. Love these, they're so stylish. They just elevate the outfit so much. Even though it's sandals, I'm not wearing it with heels. I could have opted for wearing this outfit with heels, but wanted to keep it very, you know, casual and comfy. And then I've paired it with this cream acrylic bag with gold detail, also from Zara. Absolutely love this bag. It's the perfect evening bag. It pretty much goes with everything because the color is super neutral, and I love the pop of gold on the handle. That gold color pops so much. Love this bag. And for earring, I'm wearing the oversized flower earring from Zara. I just think that it adds such a gorgeous pop of color to the outfit, and it's in this gorgeous purple and orange color, and with the yellow, I feel like it goes so well together. So this is the outfit. I'm heading in to Yalikavak, and I just thought this would be perfect for the environment. There's a lot of like yachts. I'm going by the marina, so I thought this was the perfect mix of both elegance and, you know, simplicity for a vacation setting. So this is the outfit for today, and I've put my hair up in this half up half down style. I've worn it in this half up half down style, and I love the boho braids. Oh, it has made my life so much easier. And yeah, so let's talk about the makeup. I went for this, hopefully you can see it, I went for this like sunset sort of sun-kissed makeup look with orange and deep red on the eyes. And then for the lips, I opted for a more pinky nude color, so MAC chestnut to line the lips, and then I've added sleek birthday suit liquid lipstick in the middle, and then top that off with NYX lip gloss in Madeline, I believe. And I just think it's so stunning, gorgeous. So this is today's outfit. Hey guys, we are on day, I'm not even sure what day we're on right now, but this is today's outfit. I'm wearing the gorgeous white dress that I got from Shein, which you would have seen if you watched my Shein haul. So I've styled my hair in a half up half down style, and I've placed this little flower hair clip in my hair, which makes it look super cute. And I love this dress. It is so girly, so pretty, and the color and the style is perfect for vacation, so you can't go wrong there. It has like this corset illusion. When I say there's no corset, but once it's zipped, it's snatched, really snatched. And then it has like this gorgeous neckline, this triangular shaped neckline. Absolutely love it. And then the bodice is like gathered. Absolutely love this. And then I've also paired it with my Steve Madden Hayden Cognate brown sandals. Super simple, and this is the look. I'm trying to decide about which bag I should take. So this is option 1, which is the bag that is from Amazon, in this sort of taupish color. So that's what it looks like. So maybe you guys can let me know in the comment section which one you think I should wear with this outfit. So this is option 1, and then this white knitted one, woven one, sorry, which is from Ego. Both options are super cute, and this is for the perfect casual outfit on vacation. Like, so this is what I'm wearing today. Hey guys, this is day 7 lunch outfit. So I'm wearing this white linen blouse. It has this collar neck and it's alter neck as well. So gorgeous. Got this one from Zara last year in the sale, I believe. And then I just paired it with this pair of pink Bermuda shorts, also from Zara. And I've paired that with my Amazon bag. You would have seen this bag already if you've seen my Amazon dupe video. And with that, I'm wearing just simple white sandals. I think it just looks so simple yet so chic. And then I'll just pair that with a pair of oval sunglasses and simple minimal jewelry. So this is what I'll be wearing to lunch today. Super chic, super cute and dainty. And the final outfit that I'll be wearing today is this super gorgeous alter neck blue and white dress for dinner. It has like this cutout detail on the bodice area as well, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I got this dress from Coast and it's stunning. It's a maxi length dress and it's perfect. It blends in so well with this Turkish whole aesthetic. They have many like pink flowers and white buildings, and this just fits in perfectly with that aesthetic. So I'm wearing this dress to dinner tonight, just simple, cute and elegant. I'll probably be going by the marina or by the beach, having some dinner by the beach, and it's flowy, it's flirty and very pretty. So this is the final outfit for this holiday. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know in the comment section which outfit has been your favorite on this vacation, and also let me know if you like this kind of style of video as well. Make sure that you check out the vlog, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.